Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable autoplay on Udemy. First of all, open up your Udemy application on your mobile device and log into your account. You can also log into udemy.com on a web browser. Once you're in the home page of Udemy, click on Account at the bottom right corner. Inside the Accounts tab, go ahead and click on Video Playback options. Now, toggle on the button right next to Autoplay Next Lecture, and once this button is enabled, Udemy will automatically play the next lectures so that you can focus on learning without interruptions. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.